All right, this is the Di-Acro 14-48-2 Hydra-Mechanical press brake with single axis digital readout and manual back gauge.
Yeah, we'll go right into the manual stuff right away then, as long as we're on it. You can get it from behind, but right away, as long as you're up front, here is the manual back gauge. And we can take a walk back in the back with the camera also. But this moves fairly well, and as I'm doing this, you can kind of pan up to the DRO up there, Pete, just for the back gauge. That is the single axis. I think we can zero that out, or +7, -7. I'll just go real slow, but see, we're just moving right along here. So.
All right, I'm going to peek back with the camera.
Yeah,
keep doing it.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, take a walk back here. You see the screws. I'm just going to dial it out, kind of wrap it so you see it. We're just moving along here. Let me know when you're good.
That's good.
Yep. And while you're back there, you have verticals right here. We won't get into it, but these guys just move these up and down accordingly. I'm just going to leave vertical where it's at because that's kind of like where it belongs. Documentation, books, electrical schematics, operation manuals all here. As long as we're back here again, pump motors in good shape. No leakage. This is all clean, it's dry. Main shaft is in good shape. Actually, all the hardware is in good shape on this. If you look at the knuckles, the bronze bushings, get a couple of close-ups here. This is all real nice here. And the main pins for the ram, they're clean. There's no gouging, scarring. This is a really tight machine here.
Well, it came out of a medical
facility. That's right. You did mention that.
Sheet metal prototype.
Yeah.
Phillips Medical.
The whole upper counterbalance shaft, and it's all. Yeah, the hardware's nice on this machine, really is. So that's that.
All right.
Coming around the side here, control-wise, if you want to come in here, pretty standard switch gear. One disconnect, one starter, one transformer, one motor. It's got the dual pump system on here, unlike the single-phase machines. You got the valve on each side here, and twin tanks, twin valves. This is my high-speed solenoid valve down here. Who makes that? Let me see. Oh, Racine. Yeah, Racine valve. So that all works fine. It's got the fast to feed option on here. You got slow and dual speed, which is up the control panel here a little bit, which is also very basic. You got start stop for the motor and slow and dual for the controls. If you stay in slow speed all the time with the Ram, or dual, and if you put it in dual, if you pan up here, that's basically this sliding cam right here. You can go fast and then pressing speed slow, get off the pulse switch, and then back to wrap it up. And that's kind of what I've got set up right now for the video. So, and these are your moving cams for stroke adjustment. We'll do this, we'll move at least once on this too. So kind of hang around here. I'm gonna power it up. Oh, we got RAM adjust too, by the way, right here. The dials aren't numbered and they have to be calibrated, but they work fine. Let me get the crank off here. We got a crank on this side for this one. You got a hand wheel on that side. I'll take the crank off.
Is one coarse and the other fine, or?
No, they separate. If you want to put an angle on the blade, it comes apart right here. They just separate. Yeah, both of the leaves are on here on the Ram, and this guy comes out, and yeah, just kind of wherever you want to go with this thing. See, now I'm moving them both, of course, but you can disengage this, move the one, and move the other one individually to set your taper. So that's the last of the mechanical adjustments, except for foot treadle down here. If you want to pan down to this guy, this kind of slides along here, wherever you want to put it. I'm going to leave it right here. I'm going to fire up if you're ready.
I'm ready.
I'm going to start up. And
oh, voltage.
Oh yeah, you read my mind. I was just going to say, I am currently fired up on low voltage, I believe, on this machine. Yes, it's currently wired 220. One single-phase motor, one three-phase motor. That's this. So like I said, we start off in slow. And it's kind of variable off the treadle. A single speed all the way through the entire cycle. And I'll put it on dual now.
Let me stand.
Yeah, well, I was going to do dual, then you come around to this side and show this, but we're still on slow. And you can kind of play with this a little bit, see? You come down as fast as you want. It's a hydraulic actuator down there, so you kind of do, wherever you want to go here. So if you go full down, that's a full cycle. If you want to jog it, whatever. And dual now, we're flipping over to fast speed with the cam up here, and you'll see the difference. And if you hear, you don't really see it, but you can hear it hit pressing speed. I've got the cam hitting about halfway down so you can maybe see it. Now watch. Hear it? You kind of see it slow down right at the bottom. You can hear it better than
I'm going to zoom in.
as opposed to, you don't hear those valves kicking in down there. So come around this side now, we'll change the cycle out a little bit. And if we go back to dual, you'll see it when we hit this cam right here, the pulse switch, that's when it slows it down. Now I'm going to put it at the halfway mark, low point, to just kind of tighten up the stroke. And we can make these are just serrated. Maybe, I don't know, I'm just eyeballing it here. But we'll just get real tight here and make a little mini stroke and see how that goes. I don't know if we'll make it to the cam or not. Now we've got this tight little, not even making it, we're at high speed all the time. Or low speed all the time. And then a wide open run too, of course. We can go all the way back here. Open these things up quite a bit, I think. Let's try it if I don't screw this off, but I think it'll go all the way if I'm not mistaken. There's one side. And there's the other side. And then dual speed. Yep. One more time. Yep. And one more. So you see that slowdown for the pressing speed. I'm just overdoing it just so you can see it on video. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Power off. So all you got is the setting here and the pulse switch for your fast to pressing speed, and the rest of it's all standard Di-Acro.